These are 5 of the weirdest way that you can reverse your biological age that are actually backed by science. First up is urine therapy. Yep, that's right. We're talking about using your own piss. So there are people that will actually drink their own urine as well as apply it to their skin topically for its anti-aging benefits. They claim the urine can moisturize their skin, increase collagen production, and potentially actually increase its elasticity. Some individuals believe that urine actually contains some antioxidants and vitamins that can reduce wrinkles and reduce sunspots and other signs of aging. The next method is ingesting, of course, which would be swallowing certain amounts of their own urine. Some people claim that their urine contains hormones, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, things that can overall create an anti-aging and a positive effect in the body. The last one is with eye drops. That's right, putting drops of piss inside of your eye. Some people think that this can improve their vision and reduce eye-related aging issues. They believe that urine can nourish the eyes and reduce eye strain, as well as potentially address some of the issues like cataracts, dry eyes, and age-related macular degeneration. All right, so for number 2, we have the hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Now, hyperbaric oxygen therapy involves you being in a pressurized oxygen tank that has increased the atmospheric pressure to 3 times that is normal. People that use this method claim that it increases your body's level of oxygen, which can promote the regeneration of tissue as well as just slow down the aging process in general. There's also research that has shown that it can speed up your wound healing, as well as it has anti-inflammatory and immune boosting properties. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy has actually been used to treat a number of different ailments and conditions and is rising in popularity. Some of these include chronic wounds, radiation injuries, and certain neurological disorders. Okay, so for number 3, we have vampire facials. So this is also known as platelet-rich plasma therapy, or PRP therapy. This involves extracting one's blood, separating the plasma, and then re-injecting the blood into the face. This is believed to boost growth factors that can improve collagen production, improve skin texture, and reduce the signs of aging. People are doing this to rejuvenate the skin, to reduce wrinkles, and overall improve their appearance. And then for number 4, we have specific supplement stack regimens for anti-aging. This would include taking supplements like resveratrol, NMN, as well as metformin. So resveratrol is actually found naturally in things like berries, grapes, as well as red wine. Now, before you get your hopes up, red wine contains too little of resveratrol for you to actually get the benefits from drinking red wine. Resveratrol, though, is supplemented, and you can find this in a pill form as well as NMN. Metformin, on the other hand, metformin is a pre-diabetes drug that is prescribed, and you would need to talk to a doctor to get it. But all of these drugs have been shown to have very great anti-inflammatory responses and been really showed to reverse some of the common sides of aging. Research actually is suggesting that these supplements may activate genes as well as enzymes that are responsible for cellular longevity. These haven't been perfectly studied, and we're still looking to get more research on these drugs, but it's something that, at least in the short term and with lots of anecdotal evidence, has shown promising results and a low side effect profile. So for number 5, we have fecal microbiota transplantation, basically eating shit. This is actually a legit medical procedure that is used to treat various gastrointestinal issues. So this would involve transplanting stool or poop from a healthy donor into the gastrointestinal tract of a sick patient to actually restore healthy bacteria and a healthy gut microbiome. People have suggested that this can help rejuvenate the gut microbiome and slow down aging. Think about it, if you're not able to process or digest food properly, you are also not able to extract all the vitamins and nutrients from the food that you need, which would lead to a bunch of other issues and ailments. So if we can fix what's happening in the gut and we can maximize how much you're getting from digestion, well, then you ought to be living a much better, healthier life where you're getting a lot more nutrients from your food and you've got more energy and vitality. All right, guys, that wraps it up. Those are the 5 of the weirdest way to reverse your biological aging that are actually backed by science, okay? So I want you to comment down below which one of those was the weirdest one that you think is absolutely crazy. If you like any of my videos, I'd love if you could hit the like button. It's a great way to support me in the channel. Maybe even subscribe if you're feeling generous. That's gonna be it for me today. I hope you have a great rest of your week.